Hey Jer, it is April 10th and I was really bored after school, so I decided to make something and videotape it and make a little montage for you. Hope you enjoy it.
Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum.
You are very right in saying that making videos this way makes them a lot shorter. So recently I've been just like doing random things just that I wouldn't normally do. I mean, I tried to do that, but I ended up just making cookies today. I made this thing earlier. Quote by the famous John Green. I guess I was watching a video by Cake the PJ, and he said, you know, what's your thing? And I realized I don't really have a thing, so I guess I've just kind of been experimenting, trying to find a thing. Don't really know. What's your thing? I feel like you have a lot of things. You should make a video about your things. You know what I would do for product placement? I would give whatever my product was, say a cell phone, I would give YouTubers my product, because there is such a massive audience on YouTube and it's growing every day. So if my product is being used by these YouTubers that people look up to so much and aspire to be like us, we're doing that. I mean, so many people would see this product and be like, oh, well, my favorite YouTuber uses that, so obviously I'm gonna go buy that. Well, Jeremy, I will see you on Friday. Mithril.